one, I just thought I'd do a vlog, kind of get ready with me. I'm going to show you my outfit. I'm going to show you my lunchbox and makeup. So that's what this is going to be. This is plus size. I wear large UK size 16, and I'm going to show you my outfit at the moment. So I'm wearing this scarf I got from M&S, and I've tucked it into my V. A chunky knit from Primark. Because it's really big, this is a small, I think, but because Primark has changed its sizes, so I don't know, it's a very big, but I bought it during a few months ago, and I just tuck it in my trousers, and these are some wide leg trousers I got from Zara a while back, and I like tucking it in and having like a little bit of the knit falling on the sides. I just like the way that looks. I don't know if you can see my, yeah, and it covers up your bum. And this, I like how this has an elastic band, so you can put in your jumper, and this is just an idea, so some kind of knit, a nice polka dot and stripes. Why not? I'm not going to wear my slippers to work, but yeah, so this is work in progress. Let me show you, hang on. For my Greek viewers, I wanted to talk about this. I was gifted this, I can't find the lid. It's called Dalon. You can find it in Greece in the pharmacies. It's hyaluronic complex. It's lifting, anti-aging, and moisturizing, and I really like it. It's the thing I have on my skin at the moment. I'm 43, just for reference, and I always have dry skin. This is helping me get rid of dry patches and things, so I'm finding it very, very good. I don't know how much it costs, so I'll link it in the description box just so you can check it out, but it's almost like my Moisture Surge, but it leaves your skin feeling tight. So it's nourishing, but also tightening. I don't know if you like that effect, but yeah, and it is a good base for a foundation. So that's what I use it with. So I've shown my lunchbox before. Oh, and I'm boiling water. Sorry about that. So this is my lunchbox. And I have my iron, because I need to take my iron tablets, and because I've got a sore throat, some Greek lollies for the, hang on. So let's continue, sorry about the boiler. So yeah, Greek lollies because I've got a sore throat. Now, I went to Sainsbury's and I got this. Have you tried it? I don't know, it's got carrot, butternut and ginger. It's immune boosting super soup, so I'm going to be like super souped up. Let's see what that tastes like. I'm going to, you know, heat that up at work. A little bit of bread, always feta cheese, which will go with my bread and my soup, 2 mandarins, and a little yogurt. So this is what I'm oh no, hang on, and these little chocolates, my friend told me about them. Marshmallow mash, vanilla marshmallow bar coated in milk chocolate. It's supposed to be not as fattening as a proper chocolate, but it is. And I don't know about you guys, but I always have to take dental floss with me to work because stuff gets stuck in between my teeth and I hate it. So I put everything in my lunchbox, bag, whatever you call this. And yeah, I'm going to show you the rest of my outfit in a minute. And yeah, that will be this is my lunchbox. What do you guys put in your lunchbox? Let me know. Give me ideas of things that are easy to heat up at work, easy to carry, easy to make, not very spilly. So yeah. Okay, so foundation is this one. My Primark. I'm in the shade Ivory. So this foundation, it's supposed to be a dupe for the Estee Lauder Double Wear. So it's £5. I like it. It's quite long lasting. It looks nice on the skin. It's matte. It's thick. It's I'd say medium to full coverage. So yeah. Then on my eyes, I'm wearing this, which is the, I don't know, it looks disgusting. So this is the color, and it is supposed to be like this purpley gray. It is the Kiko number. I have no idea because I am colorblind, and I covered the number with a sticker saying what color it is, but this is what the color looks like. Then on my as shadow, I'm wearing my Dior Skin Forever No Control blusher, the 120 Beautifully, was it Bashfully Blush from Clinique. And on my lips, I have no idea what I'm wearing because, again, I haven't written what color this is, but it's this from number 7. I don't know what it is. And because I have a little scarf, I always tuck my hair behind my ears because otherwise it looks weird. And yeah. So that's all for now. That's the outfit of the day. I will see you in my next video. I have more Curvy Girl style videos, so you can click on the link to see the playlist. Sorry, my eye is tearing up. I'm gonna smudge everywhere. Anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Trying to grow. It would be great if you came back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.